Welcome to OKTOPI. My name is Dunya and I'm the Academic Manager, here to help you navigate through our Explore Classes page. You can reach this page easily from clicking on the Explore Classes button on the main page of our website. Once you reach this page, you will see that you can register as a student on OKTOPI to easily enroll in the classes displayed on this page. Or you can log into your already existing account if you have one. You can change the language easily by clicking on the language icon and choosing the language of your preference. You can also use our search filter to search for certain classes that you are looking for. As you can see, some of the classes displayed have an open label, whereas others have a date. This means that certain classes are open and you can complete the material at your own pace and join at any time. Whereas the classes that have duration means that as long as you're within the class duration, you can join this class and complete the necessary material according to the dates that they are assigned. Now, if you join at a later time from the start date of the class, that is no problem because you can always go back to the calendar and complete the materials assigned on the days before. If a class interests you, you can click on the heart icon and favorite it for a later view. If you are interested in enrolling in a class, just click on the class that interests you and look at the description that is displayed before you. You can also see the class name as well as the teacher giving the class, how many students have enrolled, and if they have any resources for you to see before you enroll in the class. If this class interests you, then all you need to do is register as a student or log in if you already have a student account and enroll. If the class has a price, all you would need to do is click on the price and enter your credit card details so that you can purchase the class. Or if the class is for free, simply enroll for free and join.